Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews in the market.
Today, we've got something special in store for all you DIY enthusiasts and woodworking aficionados out there. We're diving deep into the Skills 751001 120V 3-inch x 18-inch belt sander.
Let me tell you right off the bat, this is hands down one of the best belt sanders available in the market today.
If you're looking to take your sanding game to the next level, this might just be the tool for you. Now, what makes the Skills 751001 so special? Let's break it down.
First off, this beast is powered by 6.0 amps of pure sanding power.
It can tackle practically any type of wood surface you throw at it. Whether you're working on a big project or a small one, the Skills 751001 has got you covered.
But what really sets this belt sander apart is its pressure control technology.
It's like having a built-in sanding coach. It monitors the sanding pad pressure you apply and ensures you get that optimal finish every time.
No more guesswork, just perfect results.
Now, let's talk about cleanliness.
Woodworking can get messy, right? Well, the Skills 751001 has got you covered here too.
It comes equipped with microfiltration that captures and contains fine dust particles, keeping your workspace cleaner and healthier. Have you ever had trouble keeping the belt centered on your sander? Not with this beauty. The Skills 751001 features auto-track belt alignment, ensuring that your belt stays right where it should be for consistent, precise sanding. And if you want to keep things even cleaner, you'll love that it's vacuum compatible. It fits standard 1-1/4 inch vacuum hoses, so you can say goodbye to those pesky dust clouds. But that's not all. This sander also excels at flush edge sanding. It sands right up to the edge for maximum capacity, making those edge finishing tasks a breeze. So, whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the Skills 751001 belt sander is a game changer. It's powerful, precise, and designed to make your sanding tasks easier and more efficient. And there you have it, folks. That's the Skills 751001 120V 3-inch x 18-inch belt sander, the best belt sander on the market. If you're serious about woodworking, this is a tool you don't want to miss. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another in-depth product review.
Until next time, happy sanding!